मेरा नाम सताने की अगच्छन बैल पे पत्नी को मिल जाती कि बिल्कुल ant. If it is moving, it can go long distance. And Bante Garud, if it will not move, it will not go even stay. You see, I was traveling from Raipur to Ajora. And in route, I found a buffalo. I inquired from Professor Gentix. He said it is Nagpuri buffalo. I said no, it is not Nagpuri buffalo. It has been described, but they have not given even a half sentence for me. That is the theft science. Number two, there was Indian Veterinary Service before 1947. And there were probably 13 IAS were selected. One was Indian, Dr. Gravel. Later on, due to the effect of Second World War, it was discontinued. Last one, in 48, one delegate visited to Canada, and the Maharaja of this state was one of the member of the delegate. A lady comparing called the gentleman from India with very long name, please come to the dais.
Thank you, sir. Very good morning, ladies and gentlemen. I, being a General Secretary, I once again welcome you to this auspicious inaugural function as well as that the award giving ceremony in this 7th NABNAW Annual Convention and National Conference on Livestock Nutrition and Healthcare translating to human well-being. Most Honorable, today's Chief Guest, Monmohan Sir, Dr. Birappan Sir, Dr. A. Ramaswamy, Dr. M.C. Sharma Sir, Dr. S.P. Tiwari Sir, and our most honorable President NABNAW, Dr. N.N. Pathak. I also welcome our Dr. Sahu Sir, NIP Director, and Dr. Rajendra. Our friends, Dr. Gowda, Dr. Gulati Sir, Dr. Sarup Sir, and Sampad Sir, Dr. Dhali, and all our who has participated in this program. I am very much delighted to welcome you in this auspicious occasion and this award giving ceremony. Sir, there are many applications we have received for this when I announced this, declared this award. Then we have received so many applications, and then we have evaluated for the NABNAW Fellow Award, MBSc Susila Pathak Memorial Best MBSc Thesis Award, and PPKS Best PhD Thesis Award. It is for the 2 years we are giving, that is 2023-24 and 24-25. So, and those who have we have already communicated all these awardees. So who has come over here, please receive your awards. I will call one after another. So first, the PPKS Fellow Award. So first winner is that Dr. Arun Kumar Panda, Head ICR Siva, Bhubaneswar. Please come and I congratulate you. So I I request our chief guest and all the dignitaries present in the dais, please honor our fellow Dr. Arun Kumar Panda. Next is the Dr. Gautam Mondal. I think he has not come, and he is from. So Dr. A.K. Panda, born in Burda at Odisha on 1st July 1968. Dr. Arun Kumar Panda did his BBSc and AH with gold medal from Odisha Veterinary College, Bhubaneswar in 1992. He obtained his MBSc and PhD with gold medal in animal nutrition from IBR Ijjatnagar in 1994-2004. So I congratulate you, Dr. Panda, for your prestigious award. Next. Thank you, sir. Next is the Dr. Gautam Mondal. I think he has not come. He is the PS Principal Scientist, ICR India, Panda. Next is the Dr. Y. Ravindra Reddy, Associate Dean. Okay. So Professor Y. Ravindra Reddy is a postgraduate in dairy production from ANGRAU and PhD in livestock production management from Sri Venkateswara Veterinary University, Tirupati. He has rich experience of 28 years in teaching and research by working on different species as principal and co-principal investigator in various projects. He has guided 40 MBSc scholars and PhD scholars in his career as investigator of projects for in-situ conservation and preservation of the Pangaru Dam Plasm and NATP on Pangaru semen. Extensive work was carried out by this eminent scientist. I congratulate you. Next is that Dr. B. Sahu. Dr. B. Sahu, I think he has not come. Okay. Next. B. Sahu is also principal scientist from Siva. Next is the Dr. Horiam Pandey. Horiam Pandey, please. Dr. Horiam Pandey is currently working as senior scientist at the ICR Indian Veterinary Research Institute, Bareilly, Uttar Pradesh, India. He did his BBSc and AH from Mumbai Veterinary College, MBSc in livestock production and management from ICR IBRI Ijjatnagar, UP. He obtained his PhD from the University of Bonn, Germany. He has more than 15 years of research and teaching experience in the field of animal health and veterinary sciences. National Academy of Veterinary Nutrition and Animal Welfare, congratulate you. Next is the Dr. Ruposi Tiwari. She has not come. She is the Joint Director, ICR IVR, Joint Director in Extension and Education, ICR IVR. Next is the Dr. Manoj Kumar Jendle. Dr. Manoj Kumar Jendle. Dr. Manoj Kumar Jindal was born on 2nd October 1974 in Manjeri district of Chhattisgarh. He obtained his BBSc and AhD from the College of Veterinary Science and Animal Husbandry, Mohun in 1998. MBC in Animal Nutrition from the Indian Veterinary Research Institute, IVRI, Ijjatnagar in 2001 and PhD from the College of Veterinary Science and Animal Husbandry, Andhra in 2010. He is presently serving as professor in Head Department of Animal Nutrition, College of Veterinary Science and Animal Husbandry, Andhra, Dud, under DSBC KB, Dud, and is also officiating as the Dean, College of Fisheries, Kawardha. We congratulate Dr. Jindal. Thank you. And next is Dr. K.C. Das. Dr. K.C. Das is present. Dr. K.C. Das has been working at Principal Scientist, Division of Fish Nutrition and Physiology, ICR Central Institute of Freshwater Aquaculture, He completed PhD Animal Nutrition from Indian Veterinary Research Institute in the year 1999 and has more than 26 years of research teaching extension experience in the field of animal and fish nutrition, feed technology, and nutritional microbiology. He is a recipient of DBT Overseas Associate awarded by Department of Biotechnology, Government of India, for conducting postdoctoral research and life at Leggett University. Dr. Das, we congratulate you. Number of congratulations. Thank you. So with this, this is the total 8 years we have given for the full year. Now, now is the Sushilam Pathak Memorial Award. That is, so many applicants were there from the whole of the country, and it was very difficult to evaluate within this short period of time. So even then we did our evaluator did a very hard work and evaluated this all this application. So first I will call that second best in animal. This is also for 2 years, 2023 and 24. Our Vice President here present, Madam Priyavasini, Vice President, I also requested to join in this award ceremony. Please, ma'am. Yeah.
इसका सर आ रहा है।
So now I will call. So all these awardees, please come. I request you to come here on the dais and receive your award. First, Dr. Aziz Milen Ahmed. Dr. Aziz Milen Ahmed, second best. MBSc Thesis Award in Animal Nutrition. No. Okay. Next. So I request our Vice President, Mrs. Priyavasini Pathak, to hand over the award to our awardees, please. Next is Dr. G. Hrishikesh Balasaheb. Dr. Hrishikesh Balasaheb. No. Next is Dr. Rathore Tushar Krishnaji. Sir, I request Dr. N.C. Sharma, please honor our awardee. And all the dignitaries join this.
This Susila Memorial Award, it is in the name of Mrs. Pathak and Priya's mother, who is representing the late Susila Madam.
Now Lavina Samavani. Lavina Samav also is not there. Next is that Dr. G. Kaniga, Best MSc Thesis Award in Animal Nutrition. Please. G. Kaniga, she was born on 8 June 1999 in Tamil Nadu. She completed her BBSc and AS degree from the Veterinary College and Research Institute, Namakkal. We congratulate you, Kaniga. Next is Dr. Purno Prasad. He is also second best MBSc thesis from IVRI. Next, Ruwani Sharma. Dr. Ruwani Sharma. No. Dr. V. Apani Selina. Dr. V. Apani Selina. No. Dr. Tomal Chandra Dhara, Best MBSc Thesis in Extension. Please. Dr. Prem Kumar, best MDC thesis in physiology, animal physiology, is not there. Dr. Gode Someswar, second best in animal nutrition, MDC thesis. Gode Someswar. So Dr. Deshpande, yeah. Actually, Gode Someswar worked under the guidance of Kuldeep Deshpande. That's a is congratulated.
Sir, please.
Now, okay, best PPKS PhD thesis award, first in animal nutrition, Dr. P. Tamijan. Dr. P. Tamijan. Dr. P. Tamijan, a distinguished young professional in the field of animal nutrition, exemplifies academic brilliance and research excellence.
Okay.
P. Tamijan. Best PhD. I also request now Dr. K.C. Birana sir to honor our award. PPK's Best PhD Thesis Award, P. Tamijan. Dr. Tamijan has authored over 8 research papers and 4 review articles in reputed journals and has contributed to book chapter, popular science articles and magazines. His work has been recognized through 6 Best Oral Presentation Award and the prestigious Young Scientist Award at a national conference. Okay. Congratulations, P. Tamijan. Now, next is Dr. Julie Chagma. Julie Chagma. No. Dr. Opexa K. Uke. Dr. Opexa K. Uke is a native of Nagpur, Maharashtra. She obtained her BBSc degree from the College of Veterinary and Animal Sciences, Parbhani. She earned her MBSc and PhD degree in animal physiology from the ICR National Dairy Research Institute, Haryana. Under the mentorship of Dr. Sorbir Singh, we congratulate Selina. Apeksha K. Uke. Dr. Jujan Singh Sidhu. Dr. Jujan Singh Sidhu. Next is the Dr. Gautami Sharma. Dr. Gautami Sharma. Next is Dr. Chetnaben Modi. Dr. Chetnaben Kumar Modi is born on 1994 at Palnapur, city of Gujarat. She has completed her graduation in 2018 and post-graduation in the discipline of animal nutrition from the Agricultural University. In the year 2018, she has completed her doctorate in animal nutrition from Kamdenu University, Gandhinagar, Gujarat, in the year 2023 with distinction. We congratulate you, Chetna Ben. With this, I am thankful to the organizer for giving me this opportunity to conduct this award ceremony concert. With this, thank you.